First up, breaking news. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, has pledged to give outside support to the India bloc at a national level. In fact, she has asserted that her party would back the opposition India bloc from quote-unquote outside to form a government at the centre. And this is what Mamata Banerjee has said. She's saying that I played a key role in the formation of the opposition alliance. And even the name of the alliance was given by me. But here in West Bengal, the CPIM and the Congress are working for the BJP.
জোট এখানকার বাংলা সিপিএম কংগ্রেসকে ধরবেন না, ও দুটো আমাদের সাথে নেই, ও দুটো বিজেপির সাথে আছে। আমি দিল্লির কথা বলছি। ইন্ডিয়া জোটকে নেতৃত্ব দিয়ে বাইরে থেকে সব রকম সাহায্য করে আমরা সরকার গঠন করে দেব, যাতে বাংলায় আমার মা বোনদের কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়, আমার 100 দিনের কাজে কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়।
Okay, let me go straight across now to CNN News 18's Komalika for more on this. Komalika, so Mamata Banerjee says that the CPIM and Congress are not with the Trinamool in Bengal, and yet she has pledged to offer support to the India bloc to form the next government at the centre. What does one make out of these new promises coming from the Chief Minister as she says that TMC will back the India bloc to form the next government?
It's a very interesting statement which she has made.
Yes.
And Mamata Banerjee making any statement is just not like that. So definitely it is a very deep analysis and a very deep meaning to it. Number one, now there are 3 more phases left in election in Bengal. In all the phases, they are the strong bastions of Trinamool Congress. And there, in North Bengal also to some extent, the Congress and the left has been a vote cutter, which is a difficulty for Trinamool Congress at times in certain seats. So here, some of the experts and some of the party insiders saying that she wants to give a clear signal that, look, I am only fighting BJP out here. The fact that there is also a perception, a narrative in the country that if India Alliance comes, then Congress and CPM, they are not the leaders of India Alliance. So vote for TMC, don't vote for the other parties. We are only making the anti-BJP government and I am going to support them from outside. That means she is not directly saying that she is with the Congress and the left in the states. But they are there in the center. So they don't have a good relation in the state. State anti-BJP vote is mine. It's not anybody else. So please vote for us, not for Congress and for CPM. So this is a very, very, and you know, there's a minority bloc vote, obviously, which neither, which is, you know, Congress has a share of it.
Right.
CPM has a share, left has a share of it. She does not want that to give it to anyone. The opposition, the anti-BJP vote in Bengal should not be divided. That's the essence, definitely. And we'll have to see what happens after 4 June, definitely. But we have seen Mamata Banerjee participating in each and every government where she has supported.
You know, you're right when you say that there is a lot to that statement and Mamata Banerjee puts in a lot of thought before she makes anything, her views known on the India bloc. I wanted to understand from you, do you think that perhaps she is asserting her presence, her position in the India bloc by adopting this softer tone on the opposition alliance?
Oh yes, absolutely. She is one of the main players of India Alliance. That is very clear, and she is very